With so many options out there, it can be tough to know which wood will give you the look you want while also holding up over time. I'm going to take you through 8 amazing wood types that you can use for your next river table project. First is black walnuts, one of the most popular choices for river tables and for good reason. Its dark brown heartwood and striking grain patterns make it perfect for statement pieces. Whether you are going for modern elegance or rustic luxury, black walnut delivers. Pros: visually rich grain with deep bold tones, durable and long lasting, pairs beautifully with ocean blues and metallic resins. Cons: one of the most expensive options, heavier than most hardwoods. Live air slabs can be difficult to source in larger sizes. If you are building a centerpiece table like a dining or conference table, black walnut is an absolute showstopper. Next is maple, a clean and light colored wood that is great for a modern look. Maple's smooth creamy tone helps resin colors pop, especially darker or bolder ones. It comes in both soft and hard varieties depending on your project needs. Pros: affordable and easy to find. Light color works great with bold resin contrast. Smooth fine grain makes sanding easier. Cons: grain can look too plain for some. Soft maple dents easily. Requires sealing to prevent bloaching during finishing. Maple is ideal for coffee tables, desk or shelving with a minimalist or Scandinavian style. Elm is a bit of hidden gem in the epoxy world. It has a flowing grain that works incredibly well with river-style designs, almost mimicking the movement of water. Plus, it's usually more affordable than walnut or maple. Pros: unique wavy grain that adds visual interest, durable and flexible, readily available in many regions. Cons: can be tricky to plane or sand due to interlocking grain, inconsistent quality between slabs, may require extra prep if there is a lot of sapwood. Elm work best for rustic or artistic builds like entry tables or statement furniture. Let's talk about oak, a reliable classic. Available in both red and white varieties, oak is widely available and extremely strong, making it great for tables that will get everyday use. Pros: strong and durable, affordable and easy to source, bold open grain add texture to your build. Cons: very porous, resin may seep into the wood. Red oak can darken over time, may require extra sealing coats. Use 2 layers of epoxy seal coats before the main pot to minimize bubbling. Oak is fantastic for kitchen or work tables where utility and character matter. Olive wood is a high-end small-scale option that is known for its extreme character and wild grain. It's not cheap, but if you want to build something unforgettable like a resin clock, a coffee table or a showpiece, this is it. Pros: jaw-dropping grain with dark and light contrast. Naturally oily finish creates a silky rich surface, very dense and strong. Cons: difficult to find in large slabs. Oils can interfere with epoxy bond, so surface prep is crucial. Pricey, even for smaller pieces. Always sand thoroughly and clean with acetone before you pour to ensure proper bonding. Now, let's look at cherry, a wood that starts off subtle but ages beautifully. Cherry has a warm reddish tone that darkens with time, giving your project a timeless appeal. It works well in traditional and mid-century modern settings. Pros: smooth grain and easy to work with. Elegant reddish tone that deepens over time. Finishes beautifully with oil or epoxy. Cons: can darken unevenly if exposed to sunlight. More expensive than maple or oak. Doesn't always pair well with cool resin tones. Cherry is great for heirloom style tables or when you want a classic mature look. Cedar is best known for its aromatic scents and reddish hue, but it also makes a great option for small to medium epoxy projects. It's lightweight and easy to work with, but a little soft, so it's best used for decor tables or wall pieces rather than heavy-duty furniture. Pros: lightweight and easy to shape, rich color and natural scent, beautiful when finished with clear resin. Cons: soft, dents and scratches easily, not ideal for high traffic surfaces. Some varieties bleed resin or stain unpredictably. Use cedar if you are making decorative river tables, headboards or resin wall art. Last but not least, we have ash, a lighter toned wood with a subtle but beautiful grain. Ash is often overlooked, but it has excellent strength, shock resistance and a neutral appearance that fits many modern spaces. Pros: affordable and strong. Light tone pairs well with bold resin colors. Easy to finish with oil or polyurethane. Cons: may have an even grain, less dramatic appearance than other hardwoods, slightly prone to warping if not kiln dried. Ash is a fantastic middle ground option, especially for people who want high performance without a premium price tag. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.